gonna do a quick oil change on this bike. It's a 06 YZ250. I forgot to start the video, so first I pulled the filler cap off, and then after that there's a 17 millimeter bolt up underneath the skid plate here. You can see it up in there, and you can see the oil draining out. Alright, so we're going to let all the oil drain out of here, and then we'll try to clean it up the best we can. Kind of a pain in the butt with skid plate on here to get the outer edges of that drain plug cleaned out really well. So we'll see what we can do to get that nice and clean in there before I put it back in. It looks like it did have some sort of this is the first trans fluid change I've done on this bike, and it looks like there's some sort of gasket maker or something on the pan here. So I'll see what I got to put that back on, and then we'll seal her back up. Fill her back up with oil. I gotta look up how much oil goes in this bike, and that's about it. So I'm tipping it back over the other way, make sure get all the oil drained out, so it's standing straight. Looks like there's I don't know, I gotta touch this real quick, see if there's kinda looks like metal flakes, but no. Alright, no metal, that's good. Just dirty. Alright, so we'll get this taken care of, and then fill her back up. Alright, so if you can see up in there, tried to clean it off the best I could. Gotta make sure I'm not cross-threading it. Alright, we got her in here. Let's go ahead and snug her up. One thing to learn about getting used bikes is you never know what people did to them. So the oil drain plug is actually stripped out, so I just tried to screw it back in and it wouldn't even go back in, and I pulled it back out again, and there's pieces of something somebody's put in the drain plug hole, so that's wonderful. So now I gotta figure out what to do to be able to seal this back up. Well guys, it looks like I won't be starting it today because the drain plug threads on the actual engine case are completely gone. So I'm gonna try to see if you can see up in here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that on the GoPro, but the threads are completely gone. There's one thread left. So, don't think that will be doing anything with that. So, I'm probably going to have to end up helicoiling that or something. We'll see.